It's two airplanes actually bolted together. And his good buddy Dan Pollard decided after years and years of beers that they would just bolt these two yaks together. That's what they've done. Then they hung a jet engine underneath it for good measure. And this thing is just absolutely astounding to see fly. One of the best parts of the Yak 110 is the fact that they've got all the thrusters can articulate them however they want. So you really get a lot of asymmetric thrust out of this thing. Watch Jeff demonstrate that. On the other line, Jeff Boerboon, a U.S. national aerobatic champion. And as Wayne Boggs would say, this man has more accolades than Carter has bills. And that is the truth. He is an all-star aerobatic pilot, a true gentleman in the sport. And in a few minutes, you're going to see him pay tribute to another living legend. I'm talking about not only Sean D. Tucker, but one of his friends, the late R.A. Bob Hoover. We're going to watch as Jeff Boerboon pays tribute to Bob here in a few minutes by shutting off those two outbound engines and doing a little dead stick routine. He's going to use the jet engine to keep the airplane in the air, but the two propellers will be feathered, just like Bob Hoover in his Shrike Commander back in the day, when he would feather the propellers and come screaming back through the box. We're going to watch the Hoover tribute here in a few minutes. Right now, it's Jeff Boerboon in the Yak 110. Here we go. That's what we're talking about. Watch as that engine gets pulled down. The one on the inside is pulled down, the one on the outside goes up, and that's how you get that super, super tight, flat spin. There, having fun. Now watch him again on the way down. He continues that orbit on the down line. He's using those throttles to his advantage. There's three of them in that airplane, one for each of the propellers and then one for the jet. Jeff calls that one the fun meter, the fun lever, as he was schooled the other day. We're going to watch him come back around. And then in just a few minutes, we'll see those propellers go to the feathered position. You got the lesson earlier. Here it goes again with that asymmetric thrust. Look at that. An incredibly tight flat spin out of the Yak 110. Nobody does it like Jeff Boerboon at the Yak 110. What a cool looking maneuver.
Hey, Jolly, are we having fun yet?
Man, I'm loving it, Jeff. Looking great.
Hey, man, by now everyone's figured out I've got multiple engines here. I've got 3 thrust levers, 1 for each pump, and 1 for the jet. I call that one the fun lever. I'm going to give you a little free home demonstration. You hear those beautiful MP pumps coming at you now.
We can hear everything. a lot of noise.
Go jet right for you.
Here we go. Watch him.
And again, here's those pumps. Beautiful day here. Man, look at all the people. It's awesome. About the Yak, I've got 6,000 pounds of thrust. I'll give you a little demo of that right now.
Jeff Boerboon going to hover the Yak 110 right here at Show Center. Let's watch him as he sets up for this. Pulling up into the up line. He's at the red side. The blue side, there's nobody in there. We'll watch him now. Coming up over the top. He's going to park it right there at Show Center. Oh, Yak 110.
Center, huh? Let me bring her back a little bit.
You're like the osprey out there. You just put it wherever you want to. Look at that thing. Moving right back over to Show Center. How does he do it? Jeff Boerboon, ladies and gentlemen. And the Yak 110, a man of mystery. He just parks it right there. Are you counting it off? I mean, airplanes are not supposed to hover. That's the work of a helicopter. How in the world does he pull that off, folks? Jeff Boerboon there, the Yak 110 down to 0 airspeed in his demonstration there. I love it. I love watching this thing maneuver through the sky and tumble and twirl. It's just incredible.
Oh, yeah.
Gonna bring it right back along here.
All right, my friend, now we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to call this a little tribute to Bob Hoover.
We were telling you about Bob Hoover, the late great Bob Hoover, the best pilot ever to walk the face of the earth. He used to do this in the Shrike Command.
Appreciate these beautiful MC pops coming at you.
You can see him now, but now they're going to shut off. He's going to just flip the feather switches up there and put those propellers to the stop position. Watch him now. Propellers coming back. I can just hear Bob Hoover in my head right now. A fine gentleman from Tennessee. Like I said, the greatest pilot ever to walk the face of the earth. Jeff's going to pay a little tribute to him right now as he pulls those engines back. Again, the pistons have stopped.
Take a look now, my friend. First time with the front feather. Engines are cut down, but it's just running great.
Look at this. The great R.A. Bob Hoover. Tribute pass.
How about we drop it?
How about an 8-point roll, Jeff? That's a great Bob Hoover maneuver.
Oh, yeah. Go Hoover maneuver. Here we go. We're going to do it on this pass.
Let's watch him. You can just hear Bob counting it off up there, ladies and gentlemen. We'll watch him now. The 8-point hesitation roll without the propellers turning. Oh, look at that. Unbelievable to see the engineering feat. Look at this.
Get the cameras ready for a little photo pass.
And Jeff Boerboon has a strange way of leaving the aerobatic box. You don't want to miss it. I'm telling you, wait right where you're at, because when he leaves, it gets real loud, and I think you're going to be very, very impressed. Now for the photo pass from the left, Jeff Boerboon to the Yak 110. The jet down below. 2 turning, 1 burning. It's Jeff.
Man, I'm pretty close to cross about hip breaking power by this point. They give me a demo on it. Double hammerhead. I'll pull up to Show Center. Hammerhead, slice around to the right. I'll pull the right power back to idle. Full power on the left. Keep pushing right button. Here we go.
A double hammerhead. Watch it. He's got that one engine pulled back here in just a second. He's going to slam the other one forward and watch what happens. It goes around like a pinwheel. There's one, and we're going to have 2 right there. Jeff Boerboon.
That's what I'm talking about.
And the double hammerhead with the Yak 110. Nice job, Mike.
You don't know how to do it about this airplane. It's a big airplane and doing aerobatics. Like you wouldn't expect. The next figure is one of those. I'm supposed to show center and do a 1 1/4 snap roll right into a hover.
You heard him. 1 1/4 snap roll into the hover. Let's watch it. That's the hands of a skilled professional right there, the U.S. National Champion. Jeff Boerboon in the sky, just like great best. Are you going to do it? Let's see a little hooey loop. Sean D. Tucker style. There we go. Watch him pull this thing back.
Hey, Matt, you know, a lot of performers, they say they actually stage left.
You're not going to do that, though, are you?
Well, I'm going to go talk to these folks here for a second, and I'll be right back. But yeah, I don't do it like that. You see it. I could do things a little bit different.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's not going to go out stage.
All right, my friends. In the Yak 110, we like to exit. Stage up!
Here we go. Watch him. All the way to the sky. Jeff Boerboon in the Yak 110 exiting straight up. Nice job, Jeff Boerboon. Well, Gold Coast, we have had one heck of an air show, and we've saved a true treat for the finale. We've got the Royal Australian Air Force back here in just a few seconds with the FA-18, and it is going to be one that you will not soon forget. We're going to make some jet noise here. We're going to take you back to the danger zone of the F-18. Going to be a great time here in just a few minutes.
Hit the like
We're looking
button,
forward
subscribe
to
to
it.
the channel, tell us about
Australia, you
aircraft
ready
we're
to see
seeing.
your FA-18?